Good morning on a rare overcast day in North Texas. This is Mira Vista Ranch, where we are growing Montepulciano grapes, and we have installed the DRI Deep Root Irrigation System attached to a woodpecker emitter. We've been very happy with it and has reduced our water consumption by over 80%. Hi, I'm Luigi, and I would like to share with you my experiences I have with DRI, the Deep Root Irrigation System that I have installed in my vineyard located in Denison, Texas, which is North Texas along the Texas-Oklahoma border. The climate here is hot, high evaporation, high transpiration, and the soil I have is clay. Clay soil has pros and cons. Pros are that it has good water retention so that you don't have to water as often. The cons are if you have a quick hard rain, it tends to run off and you don't get any good penetration of moisture at the root level. We have installed the DRI on 2 gallon per hour emitter, and I water basically 2 hours a week. So we are talking about 4 gallons per vine per week. Most vineyards are watering between 6 and 10 gallons per vine per day, which is substantially higher than what I'm doing. I'm very happy with the water conservation. I have very little evaporation. I still get the transpiration, but because I'm watering in a clay soil at the root level, the water tends to stay there. In summary, I'm very happy with the DRI. It's reduced my water consumption by over 90%. I haven't had any major issues with them. I have had no blockages. I hope you found this information interesting and helpful in making your decision on what watering system you'd like to install in your vineyard. Thank you very much.